Go.
This is a Coleman Willow Pass 4-person tent. Let's get on with building it. I'm Mr. Tent and Darlene is behind the camera. Okay, first of all, it has pole sleeves and I've already slid them in just to save a little time. So look, I ran this pole through here, and then this one, upper one, I did second. It's just easier that way. Run the lower one first. Then, over here, I've got all the poles out that way, except I'm bringing it right here to click in. And we've got all our pole over there. We could do a one-man lift, but Darlene is here, so we're going to do it with two. Okay? So we got it set out in a cross pattern. Now there's a little trick. Bring as much fabric. We bring as much fabric this direction as we can, like this. So the X is really right here. That is so when we raise the tent, we don't have to worry about any wrinkles in the back. Okay, I think we're ready to lift. Darlene, are you ready?
Yes.
Grab yours, make sure you're ready to go. Look around, make sure your pole is good. You're going to lift it here, and it's going to be low and behind. Grab your tent and bring it. Grab your tent. Start pushing that pole. Okay, now go find your grommet. Grab onto that tent. Don't let it get away from you. Good. All right, mine's already in. Darlene, put it in. While she's doing that, notice we did not click any of these clickers in yet. It's because this flexibility is what makes us... Get down closer. Get down and dirty there. Okay, now start clicking in. We only have one set of clickers, so here's one. There you go. Two. Now, Darlene, while you do that, I'm going to start the rainfly. Okay, you got two more. Okay, next. That's it. That is it. Now, this tent says 4-person tent. I think it's probably a 3-person tent because you have to have space for gear. Alright. When you find the logo, that's usually the front. I'm looking to see if there's a door or something. And also I have an extra pole here. See this? So that tells me this rainfly has a pole of its own. So I'm looking for a pocket where the rainfly goes. And I don't see it yet. I'm going to flip it inside out. See if I can figure out what's going on with this rainfly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's housekeeping I should have done already. Well, I don't see it. How we doing, Darlene?
Yeah.
Ah, found it. On this side of the tent, there's a pocket. And on the rainfly. And on the other side of the rainfly, there's also a pocket. So I've got these 4 corners, and the rainfly is going to come over to the front like an awning. Yeah, but first you had to find that pocket. And here it is. So now I've got it in there. See how it's bent? And it's got a couple of little Velcros to hold it in place. So I'm going to grab these also and stick them on. It will really bend the other way as soon as we get it. It doesn't have to be on there too tight, Darlene. Just slap it on there. Now we just have to decide which is the front of this tent and which is the back. Tell me when you're in. So I guess this Coleman goes on the side. So this is going to go front to back. You check that your lines are clear to run. Are you ready? Darlene, the pole goes front to back. Pole goes front to back. Good. Why don't I hold it while you tie down? Darlene, start sinking in. I'll hold it in place here. You don't really need to. Maybe I'll click one in myself. See these straps? They've got little hooks that hook on these rings. So down here at the bottom, but here's the trick. Take a couple of wraps for good luck. Did you see that? Instead of running it straight down, I took one wrap, two wraps. You know, head trick from the tent, from Mr. Tent. Okay, that one's in. You can see that the pole is starting to bend down. I don't think we have it lined up right. Okay. Darlene, it goes to the ring, not there where you have it. You've got it on the stake, you're pulling the stake out. Oh. Also, while we're talking, see this other Velcro? This Velcro helps hold the fly in place also. You tie it around the pole. Now it's on the pole, it's not going anywhere. Okay, so why do we wrap it like this? It's so that it'll be closer to here. It seems to work better. You don't have to, and they don't tell you to, but I'm just telling you it's a trick. Here's another trick. When you stick these things, these little hooks, into the rings, if you do it the same way every time, it'll be easier at the end to take it apart. I'm sticking the hook into the ring, coming out. So every hook that I put in is going in and out, instead of one way this way and one way that way. Enough talking. These are the guy outs. If we had a windy day, we could tie them out to stakes to hold the tent more steady. And that is your Coleman. Let's go look inside. Darlene, if you open it up. Oh, well then just tie it off anywhere. We're ready to go. Let's go inside. Just leave it. They get the idea. Let's go inside the tent. Knock, knock. So this is a Willow path. So when they say 4 persons, they mean 4 sleeping bags can lie down in there without touching. But you don't sleep like that in real life. You have to have your gear, and you do a little rolling over. Okay, ready. Let me go in, Darlene. Let's go take a quick look. So we're inside here. The floor looks really nice, a little dusty. Somebody has camped in it. These are gear hanger bags. It's dark and blue in here. If I come in real quickly and undo this door, this window, you have a window in the back. Not a door, but it is a window, and it's got mesh to protect you against the bugs. Oh, here's another tip. If you are packing this tent away, do you zip everything up? No. You do not zip anything up. So when we pack this tent, we're not going to zip the doors up. There she is. A nice Coleman, ready for the trail. Oh, look at this. Looking sideways, it needs a little dressing up. See how the front of the rainfly is a little high and the back is not? That's because we're not quite attached here. Darlene, pull it down a little bit, see how it looks. She couldn't quite get the hooks in. If she pulls it down hard, you can see it's starting to shape up a little bit better. Okay, well that will wrap up this tent. Darlene, how's your fingers?
Cold.
Me too, my fingers are a little cold. Let's cut.